Somehow burning wood is, in this sort of bonfire, is very therapeutic. This is all that I have extracted over the last week and a half, 2 weeks. You can see we've got a bonfire going, which is just great. This is the pile of wood that's been seriously denuded by my bonfiring. There's more to come through, and here we are actually in the castle itself, waiting for the next stage. Some more scrap metal to come out, and then digger sitting there ready waiting. And here is the next project, clearing the turret. You'll have seen photos of this anyway, but I just wanted to give you an idea of just how extraordinary a structure it is. And then the next, after the turret, we'll be having a look at this. What was the dining room and is now just completely full of wood and rubble and slates, lath and plaster coming off, windows all knocked out now, lintels need to go in, a suspended floor still up there. Quite a task, I think you'll agree.